een fotograaf hier.
So how do you work out where precisely on the object ball you need to hit to get it where you want it to go? Well, one method is called the ghost ball technique. Let me explain. If I'm trying to pop the red ball into the side pocket there, then I would need to hit the red ball at a point of contact just there. So I'm laying my cue on an object ball line and the point of contact is there on the red ball. Now, what I need to do is take another cue ball and just rest it up against the red there. Now that's an imaginary ball, that's what we call a ghost ball, and that's touching the point of contact. So all I need to do is to replace that ghost ball with my cue ball, and I know then that I'm going to hit the object ball in the right direction. Using that theory, you can be certain that you're going to be hitting the balls where you want them to go. To help you learn, while you're playing virtual pool, you can select to have the ghost ball appear automatically as one of the training aids on the quick play menu until you get used to it. Imagining the precise position of the ghost ball and getting the cue ball to replace it is the challenge.